How do I test my Kidde carbon monoxide alarm to make sure it's working properly?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing a very important topic: how to test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. Proper functionality of this device can be a matter of life and death, so it's crucial that we get this right.
What is a carbon monoxide alarm?
A carbon monoxide alarm is a device that detects the presence of the carbon monoxide (CO) gas in order to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. CO is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless compound produced by incomplete combustion of carbon-containing materials. It's often called the silent killer, so having a working alarm is essential.
Why test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm?
The reason for testing your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm is to ensure it is working correctly and can alert you in case of any carbon monoxide presence in your home or office. This device needs regular testing to make sure it's functioning properly and is able to protect you and your family.
How to test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm?
Step 1. Locate the test button on your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. This is usually a large, conspicuous button on the face of the device. Step 2. Press and hold the test button for a few seconds. You should hear a loud alarm sound. This noise means that the electrical components of the alarm are working. Note, this test only verifies the functionality of the alarm system and battery, not the sensor's ability to detect carbon monoxide.
When should you test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm?
You should test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm at least once a month. This will ensure that the alarm system and batteries are working properly. Remember, carbon monoxide alarms don't last forever, and it is recommended that they be replaced every 7 to 10 years or as advised by the manufacturer. We hope that this video has been helpful in teaching you how to test your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. Remember, your safety and the safety of your family could depend on this device, so regular testing is crucial. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.